Okay, getting our angle right as we're going to take a look at the directions on the quiz. Quiz ES332, this is quarter 3, quiz number 4, last day of third quarter today. Analyze and interpret data on natural hazards to forecast future catastrophic events and inform the development of technologies to mitigate their effects. 10 points total. You can see that is similar to our objective over there on the objective board. I can demonstrate ability to read and interpret graphs through completion of a quiz on tornado data. So related. Okay, use the graph, this one here, to answer questions 1 through 4. Which month did the most tornadoes happen in? This goes in straight calendar order: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What month did the least number of tornadoes happen? Which state did the tornadoes in the graph above happen in? Hopefully you can see that in the title of the graph. Which season are tornadoes most likely in Illinois? Fall, spring, summer, winter. I'm gonna hope that you guys know your seasons well enough, know which months or which seasons. I'll give you a hint that we start the year in winter. Summer is in the middle of the year, and then we end the year in winter as well. So winter is that wraparound point. Back of the page, another graph, tornadoes by intensity in Illinois. Look at the graph above. Which tornado intensity is the most common in Illinois? EF1, EF2, EF0, EF5. True, false. Read each statement below and decide if it is true or false. Write true or false on the line. Please write the whole word true or false, because if you just put T or F, it's not always clear. Or sometimes people put that T/F type of thing on there, kind of looks like a cursive T, and that's not going to count. That's just going to be marked wrong. So make sure you write out the word true or the word false. Tornadoes only occur in the Midwestern United States. It is best to be in a home with windows during a tornado. Tornadoes can tear the bark from trees. The enhanced Fujita scale, or EF scale, is the scale for rating earthquakes. And finally, what part of the United States are tornadoes most likely to occur in the future? Write your claim in complete sentences and provide evidence from a tornado in my state activity data and map. So if you have your map, which you should, or they'll be handed back today if they're still in my grading folder, I'm going to have you staple that to your quiz. And if you do not have your map, then you are going to be using just the data table like this. So I'll go ahead and pause this up on the board in case anybody needs to use it. And I also have hard copies of this, class copy, so you won't staple this to it. If you don't staple anything, I'm going to assume that you used this. And if you used your actual data sheet, then you're going to make sure that you staple it to your quiz. That is going to be the way that we are going to do things. So if there are any questions, go ahead and leave that at this point. And then, like I said, I'm going to leave this up on the board, so I'm going to put that back in there so that I can pause the video right there.